Today's topic is about icosanoids, its structure and classification. They are 20 carbon compound. The meaning of icosa means 20, which are derived from the arachidonic acid. The names are including both the group prostanoids and leukotrienes. Now these prostanoids containing prostaglandin, prostacyclin and thromboxane. So PG, PGI and TX. Now these prostaglandin in detail originally isolated from the prostate tissue and hence the name is given prostaglandin, but they are present in almost all tissue. They are the most potent biologically active substance. Even a 1 nanogram per ml of prostaglandin will cause smooth muscle contraction. They are also called a local hormone because that's minimal amount that is creating end organ effect, so it is considered a local hormone. Now basic chemical structure. So all prostaglandins are considered to be derived from the 20 carbon cyclic saturated fatty acid, and that is called prostanoic acid. So in this prostanoic acid, 5 carbon ring which is saturated. All naturally occurring prostaglandin have an alpha oriented hydroxyl group at the 15 number carbon. Here in structure of prostanoic acid you can see that 20 carbon, first carbon carboxylic group is there. From 8 to 12 there is a cyclic structure is made, that is 5 carbon ring which is saturated. Now over the 15 carbon there is a hydroxyl group is present. Further classification of prostaglandin according to the attachment of different substitutes group to the ring. These prostaglandin are named with a capital letter, so such as this ABE, that is prostaglandin A, B, E, F are there. Now they are depending on the attachment of different group. So all over this prostaglandin F is designated as a alpha to denote the projection of this hydroxyl group which is over the 15 number carbon is in naturally occurring prostaglandin. So in the same series, depending on the number of double bond on the side chain, they are denoted as a subscript after the capital letter like PGE1, E2 and E3. So these three, E1, E2, E3, they are called as series 1, 2 and 3 respectively. So in detail of this series, we will look that PGE1, PGE2 and PGE3. So these three are considered series 1, 2, 3. So in series 1 there is a double bond at the position number 13, 14 carbon. So it is a trans variety, means fatty acid attached over the opposite direction. Now PGE2 there is a 2 double bond at 13, 14, that is same trans, but 5, 6, that is cis variety. While in series 3 there is a 3 double bond at position 13, 14, one more that is 5, 6, that is cis variety same, but third one that is 17, 18, that is again a cis variety. So you don't have to confuse that PGE1, E2, E3, same way PGF1, F2, F3, most naturally occurring, that is series 2 in our body. Now this primary prostaglandin of PGG and H, that is H is also called endoperoxidase, are intermediates in the synthesis of others. So most of the prostaglandin, first that PGG and prostaglandin H is synthesized, then other prostaglandin are synthesized. So first we will look about the structure of prostaglandin G and H. Now again, most commonly series 2 is seen, so that is derived from the arachidonic acid. Total 4 double bonds in the arachidonic acid. Now in the structure of PGG2 and H2 you can see that there is a speck like structure. It is a 2 oxygen molecule that is present. Apart from that, the difference between PGG2 and H2, that is over the 15 carbon. In PGG2 there is a 2 double bond in the side chain, but there is over the 15 carbon there is a hydroperoxide group is there. So apart from that, PGH2 that is containing only hydroxyl group. So here in structure of PGG, 2 oxygen atom interconnected to each other, that is bonded at the carbon number 9 and 11, that is in a 5 carbon ring structure, plus hydroperoxide group at 15 number carbon. While same type of structure as a PGG for the PGH, but difference related to the 15th number carbon, has hydroxyl group over the 15 number carbon. Next, that is PGE2, where the change in the structure of 5 carbon ring, where oxygen and OH group is attached in that 5 carbon ring structure. Everything is same, 15 carbon that is containing hydroxyl group. It is E2 series 2, 2 double bond is present. Now that main features of prostaglandin, so only 5 prostaglandin are widely distributed in the body. They are called a PGDEFI. You can remember definition, DEFI and thromboxane A2. So first PGD, that is containing hydroxyl group at the carbon number 9, keto group at the 11. Now PGE, that is containing keto group at the 9 carbon and hydroxyl group over the 11th carbon. D1 containing 1 unsaturated bond, E2 containing 2 unsaturated bond in the side chain. Now one more, that is prostaglandin F2, where particular OH group at the C9 and 11 is present. It is F2, means 2 double bond is there, and it is in general 15 carbon containing hydroxyl group. Now lastly, that prostaglandin, that is called a PGI. It is containing double ring. Only prostanoid which is containing double ring, that is prostacyclin. So PGI, which is also called a prostacyclin, oxygen attached at the 6th carbon and 9th carbon. So they are making double ring to form the another 5-membered ring, hence called as a prostacyclin. Now again, that thromboxane A2, that is differ from the other prostaglandin. Here that 6 carbon ring structure, it is called a oxen ring, which is produced due to oxygen is present at various site of this 6-membered ring. Again, that A2 means 2 double bond is present. So in general, this different kind of prostaglandins, they are shown here, PGA to PGK, as well as thromboxane A and B. You have to remember structure of prostanoic acid, cyclic structure in prostacyclin, and thromboxane A, which is containing 6-membered ring structure. So that's all about the eicosanoids, its chemical structure and classification of different prostaglandin. So that's all about today's lecture.